What's up, everybody? That was so loud. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm back again. What's up, my rulers? How y'all doing? Y'all, I'm doing another challenge. This is also from Miss B-Love. What's up, B-Love? You know, we're going to have to talk, Miss B-Love. I'm going to have to call you by your government name, Bethany. We're going to have to talk. Because you couldn't do maybe 10, 15. You had to go 20. Really? Really? We need to talk. Okay, y'all. So this is from Miss B-Love. And she's pretty much put it out there for everybody. The 20 chicken leg challenge. And from what I understand, I don't know if and I don't think it's a time. I think you just eat like you want to. I don't think it's like any specific time. I don't think it's a race. You just eat how many you can, and you just see what you can do. So I'm going to see what I can do. I have 20 chicken legs. I wanted to get some from Church's. I didn't want any from Popeyes. I didn't want any from KFC. I just felt like I wanted Church's chicken legs. So I went to Church's. And I think my bill came to like $32 for these chicken legs. They had a special going on, but somehow or another they said because I wanted all legs, I couldn't get the special. Whatever. But anyway, I have my 20 chicken legs. I would pick them up and count them, but I don't want them to get cold. So I'm just going to say I've counted them already. It's 20 of them. I have my water. Still cold, y'all. Put that in the refrigerator last night and left the ice in there. I have my Moroccan green tea. I made me another batch. Moroccan green tea, mint green tea. It's cold too. Put that over there. And I have me my Frank's hot sauce. I have some jalapeno hot sauce. And then I went by the store and bought. I said I'm not gonna ask them because I said they said they didn't have any honey. I gotta have some honey. So I went by Family Dollar and bought me a bottle of honey. So I'm gonna try and get it in and try and get it while the chicken is still hot because I just took it back out the oven. I put it in the oven as soon as I got in the door because I was trying to set up, but trying to get all this done. So now I'm gonna say grace and we're gonna get it. Hopefully I'll have something in front of y'all to eat with me. Let's go, y'all. Saying grace. I'm in. All right. So 20 chicken legs. Let me see. And y'all know. The dark meat is my thing. Y'all know the dark meat is my shit. So let's see. And I haven't eaten since this morning. I had breakfast this morning. I went to spend out at my mom's house last night. And she got up and made me breakfast this morning, which was so sweet. She made me breakfast this morning. So I had breakfast this morning. But I haven't eaten anything since. So open up my honey. Open up my honey. I already took the little label off from the inside too. So it's already got the peel thing off. Open up my hot sauce. The jalapeno hot sauce just got the little cap on it, so it didn't. But I'm gonna put that to the side because I don't want that in the way because it's got the cap in it. And I got my. So I think I'm gonna start with. I don't even know. Start with the little one. This one. I gotta have my honey. Y'all gotta see it. My honey. Ooh. So let's see how many I can go through, y'all. First bite. Oh wait a minute. Hold on. First bite. Ooh, it's still nice and hot too. First bite. Y'all got it? Got it? Okay. Going in. Ooh. Oh. That pinky. She is not playing. Look at that bone. I'm not gonna do like a little countdown. We're gonna just see how many I have when I'm done. When I'm finally full, we're gonna see how many I have left. Then I know how many I did. Try a little bit of hot sauce with some honey. I like this challenge, Miss B-Love. B-Love. I like this challenge because I love my dark meat. My legs and thighs, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And my honey, honey. So thank you. Mmm. Mmm. I don't want to drink any. I don't want to drink any too soon in, because y'all know how to do it with water. Juice, water, whatever. My belly only gonna hold so much, and I'm trying to get as much as I can in with the chicken, so. Oh. Ooh. Uh-oh. This honey is so good. This honey is good, honey. Honey, honey is good. Got all the honey I want. Ooh. Yeah, this is good. Oh. That's good. Oh. Now look. One little sip. Hold on. Just to push some stuff down. The special they had up at churches, they were gonna try and give me 8 legs and 2 thighs because it was a 10-piece special, dark meat. So she's gonna get 5 legs and 5 thighs. I said no more, all legs. She ended up charging me more. Everybody want to get over. I don't know how she rung it up. I don't really care right now. But she ended up getting over. Oh yeah. Look at that. Honey just dripping. Oh. Y'all want a piece? And then DeeeLicious broke it down on us, okay? She said, and don't be trying to cheat. She said, if 2 people are doing it, she said, ain't no 10 wings for 1 person 10. She said, no. If 2 people are doing it, That's 20 wings or 20 legs per person. So if you have a couple of people doing it, she's like, no, if you're doing 2 people, both persons got to do 20 legs. I said, she done broke it down. She said, no cheating. She said, don't try them little wing dings. She said, 20 chicken legs, the real chicken legs. She's like, left no stone unturned, okay? Oh. Y'all believe next week is Thanksgiving? This week is, this month, this year. This year is flying by. Oh, that's good. Oh, wait. Oh, y'all. This ain't gonna be good. Okay. Let's see. Who was that? Okay. All right, chicken curl. Okay, let me see. Oh, wait. I'm only down to... I only ate 5 so far. Oh, he been moving, Alice Marie. That first bite, that crunch. Oh wait. This would be a perfect meal or a perfect challenge for those ones who's doing the keto diet, all meat. It's nothing but meat, protein, all protein. So this would be the perfect challenge for anybody doing the keto diet. She was like the lady at the church, and she said, "What you get?" She said, "Well, you get 7 biscuits." I'm like, "I don't want them biscuits. I don't want no biscuits. No." No way. No way. Ain't no way in the hell. My stomach ain't going for that one. Oh, that's so good. I know that's not helping me none, y'all. Forgive me. I gotta push something down. I might be pushing the wrong thing down because it might be making me full. Bear with me. Bear with me, y'all. Ooh wee. Okay, come on. All right. But I like that. She said no cheating. If you're gonna be doing 2 people, or I guess if you're doing 4 people, everybody gotta have their own 20 pack. however many people. Oh, oh, oh. That hot sauce and honey. So good. Hey. Y'all, I might gonna be slowing down. I knew my stomach was gonna be cutting up. That definitely is not helping. Whew. Did anybody eat all 20 pieces yet? Look now, I'm like, anybody? Oh, I know I'm not gonna be able to. I know it. I already know. But I like the challenges. I like to challenge myself anyway. Push myself. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to push yourself. Maybe not this capacity, but still. Ooh wee. Ooh. Y'all. How many did I do? 5, 10, 13, 5, 8, 7. Ooh. I can't push no more. I ate 7 out of the 20. That's okay. It's okay. My thumbnail. Wait a minute. Okay, y'all. It's a disappointment, but you know what? I don't care. I tried it. Let me know if you tried, how many you do, because this is a lot. I mean, it's a lot, but still, I tried it. Because I wanted to, and I enjoy these challenges, and it was fun. And I love my dark meat anyway, but that's a lot of dark meat. This will be something for my tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, but whenever I get ready to eat some more chicken again, I'm good to go. But I did 7, y'all. My total count was 7. That's all my belly gonna let me hold. So, I know it's not a lot. I think Miss B Love did 16. Her little tiny butt did 16. How the hell? What the world? But she was on that. She did that keto diet before. So she knows how to do that meat. But I can't. I would try and do another one, but I'm like, I don't want to start trying to chuck on camera. So I'm going to say 7 was my number. So I start off with a pow. I went in with a bang, but I ended with a fizzle. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I tried it, y'all. I did try it. You can't say I didn't try it. I did try it. Thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share. Turn on those notifications. Get notified when I'm back on. And I will see you all in my next video. Peace out, y'all.